What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I am not super into the supernatural. In fact, I told a buddy of mine, if he'd pay me $5,000, I'll spend the night in a graveyard because that doesn't particularly scare me. And he did not want to do that. I don't think he wants to part with $5,000. But a couple things I wanted to mention here is that I actually like watching scary movies. I haven't watched any recently. I haven't really watched many movies. Top Gun Maverick was one of the last ones I saw all the way through, and it was spectacular. Spectacular. Perfect movie. And the only thing that wasn't good about it is that there isn't another sequel already available because I want to see it right now. But one of the things that I do enjoy is, those scary movies. There's a new Exorcist movie, I think, coming out. I want to see that too. So I'm looking forward to checking it out. But I kind of like them because, I don't know, I want to be scared, and because I don't believe in ghosts and that kind of stuff and the paranormal, that I need to get it from a movie. But the thing that I wanted to say is, I don't understand why all these people go to these sanitariums or abandoned castles to find ghosts, because if ghosts are created in those extreme, dire circumstances, right? Those moments of crossing over from the living to the dead, and if it's the pain and the anguish and the unfinished business and all these other things that get them stuck in this quasi natural state, stuck between heaven and hell and earth, or whatever the theory is around ghosts, then why aren't hospitals super haunted? Or maybe they are. Maybe I should go to a hospital. I haven't been there recently, but go over here to Advocate General or Beaumont, or head over there to Cook Memorial or whatever. Those are all big hospitals, and I bet you probably walk in and you feel the hairs rising on the back of your neck because there are just so many ghosts. Man, I bet if you took a ghost trap or something and just opened it up there, it would just be overwhelmed, sucking them in like a powerful vacuum cleaner. So that's my thought. If the ghosts are going to be in the area where there's death and unsettled business and pain and suffering and all of that, then yeah, hospitals would be the place that are the most haunted. So just my thoughts about that. So I might go to some hospitals, wear some infrared night vision goggles, and take my paranormal meter and hunt out some ghosts. That's probably where all the ghost hunters are. Just my thought. What are your thoughts? Where the ghosts live? Want to go visit some. Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.